Hello and welcome to AEA PD Online Live. My name is Deborah Humpel and today I'm going to talk to you about how to create a Nanogong assignment in Moodle. Essentially, Nanogong is a tool that allows students to submit audio recordings. It's great for instructors if they'd like to hear their student's voice. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is sign into your course as an instructor. As you can see, I'm in my course and I've turned on my editing. We're going to add our Nanogong activity to topic 1. I'm going to go down to add an activity and scroll down to Nanogong voice activity. Like most assignments, this area looks familiar. You're going to type in the name of your activity and the description. Today we're going to do favorite movies. As you look down the page, you'll see some things that are fairly familiar. For example, the available to students date, the grading maximum. One thing that's different is the duration in seconds. In this box here, you can set the length of recordings that you want students to submit, or the maximum length, anything from 1 second to 1200 seconds. You can also set the number of allowed recordings. Decide if you want students to be able to submit late assignments, and also give students permission to hear other students' recordings. Group settings are available, restricting access, and how you want to mark completion. Once you have that done, you can hit save and return to course. And as you can see right in topic 1, my Nanogong activity is listed. So that's really all there is to setting up your Nanogong activity. Let's take a look at this from the student side. I'm signed in as my test student here, and you can see that the favorite movies Nanogong assignment is present. The student would go ahead and select that. And you can see the question, what is your favorite movie, is listed. It gives the student parameters, the length of it, the number of recordings, the maximum grade, and the dates it's available. In the next box, they can submit their recording. One thing I like to have students do is submit their name in the recording. Then they're ready to go. In order to record, students simply click on the red button in the voice recording box. Once they do this, you'll notice a green bar move, and this indicates that their voice is being picked up on their microphone. So let's go ahead and get started. My favorite movie this year was Argo. Go ahead and hit submit. If the student would like to listen to their recording, they can click on their name of what they named it in their recording box and select play. My favorite movie this year was Argo. Students can either delete the recording or add a second recording if they like. Another feature of Nanogong activity is that they can send a message to their teacher. For example, they may ask their teacher a question. The student wants to know, did you mean in 2012 or all time, with that question about your movies? Go ahead and hit Save Changes, and the question will appear. Once this is done, the teacher can then go into Nanogong, into their course, and see what the students have submitted. So now I have slipped back into my instructor course. Click on Favorite Movies. And you can see as you scroll down that one student has submitted their recording, Deborah Humpel. The name of it is there. If you'd like to listen to it, click on the little speaker. Notice the player box will appear. My favorite movie this year was Argo. The teacher can listen to their information. In order to provide a grade, voice feedback, or a message to the student, the teacher can select click here to edit. You can insert your grade out of 100, do an audio recording of feedback, or message your student. You could say, I met of all time. Go ahead and hit Save Changes. And when the student logs in, they'll receive that feedback and information. And you can see the feedback that I gave is right there. So that's really all there is to submitting and creating and submitting a Nanogong assignment. Have fun using it in your Moodle courses.